Today we're looking at Martal's AI SDR, a sales automation platform built by one of the biggest B2B lead generation agencies in the world. For context, I've been deep in the sales tech space for years, testing tools, comparing them, and helping founders and teams figure out what actually works in outbound. So let's break this one down. Martal is best known as a B2B lead generation agency with more than 15 years in the business. They help thousands of companies generate pipeline through human-powered outbound. Now they've taken that experience and built their own AI SDR. So what is it? It's an AI sales rep designed to generate qualified leads 24/7. Instead of relying on just human reps, Martal's AI SDR automates prospecting, outreach, and meeting booking while still leaning on the company's experience in data and outbound. Here are the key features. Data and signals. The AI pulls from firmographics, technographics, and intent data to surface the right leads, campaigns, and messaging. It generates personalized outreach across email, LinkedIn, and other channels. Operations and deliverability. It includes inbox management and tools to improve email performance. Integrations. Connects with your CRM and other outbound systems to keep everything centralized. And compliance, SOC2, GDPR, and canned spam all compliant, so it's built with enterprise needs in mind. So who is this for? Mid-market to enterprise companies that want outbound at scale and trust a provider with years of agency background. If you like the idea of outsourcing outbound but don't want to hire a team of SDRs, this is the play. Now let's talk pricing. Martal doesn't list public pricing. You'll need to book a call or request a quote. That usually means pricing is customized, and in most cases it won't be cheap. So what about alternatives? In the AI SDR space, you got players like 11x, Artisan, and of course Agent Frank. Agent Frank is one of the most affordable, yet the best AI SDRs on the market that can reach out to thousands of prospects every single month. And it automates everything from the initial email infrastructure setup to objection handling and meeting booking. So if you want to see how Agent Frank works a lot more in depth, I suggest you watch this video.